If the receiving is off for AirDrop on iPhone, then let us see what to do. Now if I open the control center of the iPhone, and if I tap and hold on this group here, you can see AirDrop receiving is off, and then I cannot activate it. So what I need to do in this case is, I need to go to settings here, go to this option screen time, go to this option content and privacy restrictions, select this option allowed apps. Now you need to enter the passcode for screen time, and if you see there is an option AirDrop which is disabled, enable this option. Now let me close this one, and let me again open the control center, and let me again tap on this group. Now this time if I tap on this AirDrop option here, I can enable this AirDrop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.